Yo, welcome back to Snapshot. Come on in, have a seat. This is the final. Hang on. A, B, C, D, F, G.
I sing the ABCs anytime I'm like actually going to work, so I'm like thinking,
I couldn't do it backwards, except for Z.
oh my god, you know that used to be a test for like DUIs
Yeah.
and stuff?
We're gonna add in a whole egg.
No
Oh,
way.
what?
No way.
Why are
Really?
you doing this, dude?
Was it salmonella, melanoma, something like that?
Mr. Bartender.
Start your engines.
What kind of country are we doing now? Which country is it so that I can say something about the country?
You're not gonna know anything about this country.
What's the country? Lebanon?
First of all, that would be Lebanon.
Okay, Tunisia. Here's what we call this in America. Prison wine. I like Poland. What do you think of Poland?
I've been in Warsaw once. So fun fact, it was completely destroyed in World War II, rebuilt up. Part of the city is super modern.
What are your thoughts? These are cheers.
All right, boys. Cheers.
What do you think it's?
I feel like you're not a champagne guy, though.
I'm not.
Yeah, you gotta have things to celebrate to be a champagne
My good friends.
guy. All right.
Fucking A, dude.
Here we go.
All different
What about
languages.
Finland?
Finland, they speak Finnish.
Finish it.
Yeah, so you should probably do what?
Whoa. Solid. That was very good. You should.
I don't
I'm
understand.
gonna steal that line.
What should you do?
What?
What do they speak in Finland?
Finish.
Can I say that? Can I say that? Can I say that? Tu parles français?
Vive la France.
All right, so the answer to that would be no.
Je parle français. Un petit.
Muy bien, gracias.
And he misses a half.
You took more like half.
Model. Stop.
Every time. It's a very delightful smell. I enjoy it.
Wow. Give that a smell real quick. It smells like a gymnasium, dude.
I'll tell you this. Watch this.
I'm sorry, it smells like a what?
You
Smell it. Smell it. Seriously.
Watch this. So here we have Japan, and I'll tell you this. I am as sober as a skunk right now. I'll tell you this.
Somebody smells like a locker room.
I just said it was delightful.
Press down lightly on the ginger.
Press down lightly. That ginger is hard to chug.
I mean, you've tried.
Only a little bit of ginger. You only have a small amount of ginger in your life.
That's why they keep me like a leprechaun. I used to magically delicious.
Magically delicious.
Right.
you played me right before you chose that. You rushed back.
What country is this?
Is this Germany again? What's the difference between Costa Rica and Puerto Rico?
Costa Rica is in Central America. Puerto Rico is an island in the Caribbean. It's also an American.
You care about them? Look them in the eyes. They're all drinking their Bud Lights. It's 3 a.m. in the morning over there. They're all drinking their Bud Lights. They're hanging out with their frats, and they're looking to you for guidance, dude. And you're sipping on that drink like you're a 70-year-old man. What do you have to say for yourself?
Imagine you've been fighting the good fight for years. In the trenches, on the front lines, just getting peppered. Just getting peppered constantly. You get hit a few times. You continue to chug.
Yes.
You go down. You continue to chug.
Yes.
And look at this. I'm looking this enemy straight down in the face right here. I have to face it. Smells like chlorine mixed with cinnamon.
God. Oh, God. Serbia. Cough medicine for COVID. This would be it.
Aguardiente. Aguardiente.
It just tastes like a really, like... You just shoved it that way. You know, I'm gonna go for it.
Slugged it. You're gonna go for it with one sip.
Okay. Now that we're doing Switzerland, I'm going to taste the Switzerland drink because it's very neutral. Here we have a glass of water. There's no alcohol, there's no controversy. It's not getting engaged in any world wars.
Well, a number of different fruits that could work. This one right here that we're using for our monastery is Slivovitz. It is a pear brandy. It's a plum brandy.
I smelled that and the word that came into my head was proof. Look at it, 100% proof.
Why did you say 100% proof?
Yes, it's 1999. You're digging through your grandmother's purse.
Woodstock.
Woodstock. That was my nickname in college too.
It was Woodstock?
Woodstock.
Mine was Fred Durst.
Really?
No.
Did you know this is the white or black Russian?
There's no cream in it. What do you think it is?
Oh, it's the black Russian.
Yo, that's it. Where is Brussels? Tell me that.
It's near the Sprouts. I almost wish that there was some place where I could go and become Superman, like another planet, and then I stepped foot into Canada, and they looked at me like I was fucking Superman. You know what I'm saying? I was fucking God's gift to Canada. Their fucking bacon is
Oh,
sausage.
sorry, eh?
Isn't their bacon like ham or something? Oh, Canada, my heart, dun dun dun.
Our home and native land.
No, dude, that's not the way it goes. I pledge allegiance to the flag. You know I'm related to Betsy Ross.
You're driving, right?
How can you give a review without finishing it? I don't get it.
My fans are a little bit more sophisticated than your fans. So I can sip and enjoy.
Dick shot aristocrats. We're blue collar over here. We're malicious.
So this right here, this is the Dutch Velvet. This is actually one of my favorite cocktails to make. I guess it would also be certainly one of my favorite cocktails to drink as well. I hope you all enjoy this one as much as I do. The Bramble. Now the Bramble is named...
Sorry. It's just the way he did.
Now the Bramble is named after the nickname for the blackberry bush. The Bramble cocktail is named for the bush that blackberries grow on, and this has a...
You said bush.
Now the Bramble is named...
Tell the name of what you're pouring.
Say it.
Say it. Say it out loud.
Say it with your chest.
So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of Beef Eater,
I'll tell you. Give me a cut.
Good. Your good glasses. Wow.
This is like eating a raw lemon. This is like just biting a lemon. Just okay. This is like just biting into a lemon and just suckling upon the juices of it.
1, 2, 3.
And cheers and do so
Do so
responsibly.